Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of joining me, I am Joscie Wraps GH. I give you daily tutorials on how to tie your head wraps in beautiful styles for all occasions. And today we are going to make one beautiful hairstyles that you can take to church, parties, programs, any other fashionable occasion that you can think of. First, you put your head cap on with a band at the back. The band to make it look nice and firm when you wear the head wrap. Let's get started. Or the measurement of the scarf. So the scarf measures 30 by 70 centimeters. So you pick up the scarf and you place it on your head and tie a knot at the back. The scarf no better with rido na achichiri with twice. Now make sure the bibiara ayekama. So you tie a knot twice at the back, and you have to make sure say a tree no fit nicely or fit ye papa not trading excess fabric bia in title ho. When you finish, you arrange the front neatly. Then you gather the fabric and flip it at the back to the front. The fabric ni befa with you, then you secure it with a band. Edi baweni mia na edi rubber band abo enim no. Make sure the rubber band fits perfectly well and it is well secured. Shediri American no. Ebe dinkai ama fabric nedo. Then you fit the rubber band inside, just like how I'm doing. Arrange no because say rubber band and fit properly. The material or the scarf can go back and it can spoil your design. So make sure the rubber band fits perfectly well in front. And American ebe fold na ede rubber band na shining nicely to say the American. You keep arranging the front. Na rubber band no and flipping coach you. So you start folding the front. You fold it to a length that you can pass it at the back. Then you take it round. You keep folding it. Be folding it. Then you take it round your head. Whilst folding, then you keep arranging the front. You keep making sure that the fabric is intact and it fits perfectly well, or else your design can spoil. So whilst you are arranging and taking the fabric round your head, you leave a small portion for the design in front. You find a hole in front. Na at the left over fabric no at the design winning until you do it just as I'm filling it inside. So you tuck it in and you bring it out. You tuck it in and you bring it out. just like how I'm doing. So ebe yendema nkaka nkakra, ebe yendema nkaka nkakra, dema. You tuck it in, then you bring it out. Tuck it in, then you bring it out. You keep folding, then you tuck it in, then you bring it out. Tuck it in, then you bring it out. You tuck it in, then you leave a small portion to make a design in front. Ibija fabric ne kakra na yede design as a flower design bi ewo enim. Wow, say na check back and say the one wa fit properly, no excess fabric left at the back. So after you fit the flower with a pin, you arrange the flower, then you fit it with a pin to secure it in front nicely, just like how I'm doing it. There's no rush in tying a head wrap. You only need to take time and do it nicely. Make sure that the pin doesn't pinch you, because sometimes it is quite difficult to fit the pin inside. This head wrap style is so beautiful and gorgeous, and you can take it to any event of your choice, and people will even think that it's an already made cap. But you should be so proud of yourself that you've been able to tie this head wrap all by yourself. You can add a unique touch of brooch to it. Isn't this so beautiful? It looks gorgeous and nice. Wow, Jennifer, I'm really in love with this turban hairstyle. Why don't you try it in your homes and let me know the outcome in the comment section. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly share, like, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Joscie. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.